Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing some fish with some delicious ingredients with like some onions and mushrooms and some rice. It's really easy and super delicious. Hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel. First of all, we need some rice. 100 grams of rice that we already washed and a bit of salt and some water. Let's put it into the fire. After boiling, you can close it and leave it for a while. After, let's cut 150 grams of mushrooms and then chop some onions. I'm using just one. Then let's put the mushrooms into the pan and fry them up. Then add some olive oil and the onions. Then fry it more. After, just add some salt. Then I'm using 50 grams of cheese and I'm cutting it finely. Then I'm using some parsley. And you have to chop it really fine. Then add the rice, the cheese, and the parsley. Then the mushrooms and the onions. And mix it all together. Then let's prepare the fish. You can use any fish you want. First of all, let's cut it into half and then take out the spine. Cut the parts that you don't want. And of course, take out the bones. Put some foil on the bottom of the pan and add some olive oil and spread it out. Then add a part of the fish and add the filling on top. Then add the other part of the fish on top. Take another part of the foil and add some olive oil, same as on the fish. And you can close it up. Everywhere. Don't leave any part open. Then put it into the oven for about 200 temperature Celsius for about 30 minutes. Then you can open it up and let it sit again into the oven for about 15 minutes. When it's all done, you can take it out and plate it. I'll be cutting it like this. It looks more delicious and appetizing. After, you can plate it with some kale. Try it out, it's very delicious and I hope you enjoy this video because it's super fun to make and easy. Thank you for watching this video, subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos.